get you a video from Vaniambadi in Tamil Nadu, where the municipality commissioner Cecil Thomas was allegedly seen throwing away fruits and vegetables from the carts of vendors on the road. Now, this is in one instance where he pushes and topples the push cart itself. The municipality commissioner reportedly did this because the vendors were not maintaining social distancing despite repeated warnings. To that effect, then he resorted to vandalism that has been caught on tape. We have Sanjeevi with us. What a waste is this, Sanjeevi? Even when it comes to warning the vendors to maintain social distancing, this act could have been avoided altogether.
Well, exactly. This particular municipal commissioner, Cecil Thomas, who is belonging from Vaniambadi district of Tirupattur district of Tamil Nadu, is, in fact, behaving like a gundagiri, where you can see in the visuals, he's trying to, pick up each and every fruit and throwing down from a vegetable vendor who is on the platform. He's also trying to push the whole cart down and also trying to pull down the whole shop. As you can see in the visuals, this incident happened at Vaniambadi yesterday. In fact, no warning was given to the fruit vendor by the municipality, is what we have been told. So during such an inspection, this particular municipal commissioner went there directly, and you can also see him, even without police, directly, bringing down all the shops. In fact, vandalizing all the shops from the platform shops, including the carts and also other shops which are present there. In fact, the public also, had to try the conversation with him, but he was not ready to, in fact, have any kind of argument or conversation with him. So that is the visuals which you can see on the screen. So there's a demand which is pouring in right now to, sack this official or take, official departmental action against Cecil Thomas, who is the municipal commissioner of Vaniambadi Taluk of the Tirupattur district of Tamil Nadu right now, Amita.
Well, this kind of behavior is completely unacceptable, even if the vegetable vendors who are selling essential commodities, even a special request could have worked, isn't it, Sanjeevi? Such kind of behavior and attitude is completely unacceptable. Anything to that effect that we are hearing from the municipal side? Any action?
Well, no action has been taken till now. In fact, we also tried to contact the district administration of Tirupattur. They haven't got any response as of now. But, he's a grade 1 officer who is the municipal commissioner of the Vaniambadi Taluk itself, who is directly getting on the road and also harassing and also involving in vandalism like a gundagiri, which comes in movies clearly where you can see the visuals. He's just walking on the roads, even without the police. He's trying to pull down all the shops. In fact, we can also see in the visuals there's no crowd much in that particular area as well. In fact, we could see the social distancing is also being
exactly
followed,
that was I was about to ask, because when he is overturning a push cart and that is full of vegetables and fruits, there isn't anybody else who can be seen around. What prompted that act?
Exactly. We have to wait and see what kind of action Tirupattur district administration is going to take on this particular matter. And that is why even demand is pouring in from various civil societies, even activists in social media as well, that, action should be taken. He should be suspended from his duty immediately, Amita.
All right, Sanjeevi, thank you very much. Keep an eye out if any action is taken. We've put up this news coming in from Vaniambadi in Tamil Nadu, where the municipality commissioner there, and resorting to high-handedness, was pushing off vegetable vendors and the fruit vendors, essential commodities on the streets, because according to him, they were not complying with the social distancing norms.